What if your car could run 1,000,000 kilometers and do it without draining your wallet? I've seen it happen. I've watched engines cross that magic number using just 19 simple habits the Japanese swear by. One of them prevents an $8,000 transmission failure. Another quietly adds 200,000 miles to your engine life. Miss just one of these, and you're shaving years off your car without even realizing it. Let's get into it. Number 19, the progressive warm-up. 70% of engine wear happens in the first minute after a cold start. When metal is cold, it contracts. Oil sits in the pan. If you rev right away, that's like sprinting before you've even opened your eyes. You don't need to idle for 5 minutes. That's overkill. But 20 to 30 seconds? That's gold. That's just enough time for the oil to coat the pistons, timing chain, and turbo bearings. Then drive gently for the first few minutes. No hard acceleration, no highway on-ramps. I once tore down an engine from a guy who cold revved every morning. The walls looked sandblasted, rings shot at 60,000 miles. 30 seconds of patience could have saved him $5,000. Number 18, transmission fluid and filter service. Lifetime fluid is a marketing lie that's destroyed more transmissions than neglect. Every 30 to 40,000 miles, drain and fill. Don't flush. That high pressure can jam debris into tiny passages. Change the filter every other service. I've seen CVTs die before 70,000 miles because owners trusted that lifetime nonsense. A rebuild costs $4,000. A service costs $200. Easy math. Number 17, intake system cleaning. Modern GDI engines never spray fuel on intake valves, so they carbon up fast. Those black deposits choke power, cause misfires, and wreck fuel economy. Clean your intake and throttle body every 25 to 30,000 miles. Walnut blasting is best. It's $400 that saves thousands. Add an oil catch can if you want to prevent buildup long-term. Number 16, throttle body cleaning. If your car idles rough or hesitates, there's probably a carbon ring at the throttle plate. It tricks the computer into bad airflow readings. Use throttle body safe cleaner only. Never carb or brake cleaner. Wipe it gently, let it dry, then let the ECU relearn idle for 10 minutes. Smooth idle, better response, done. Number 15, oil changes by driving pattern. That 7,500-mile interval on your manual? Marketing again. If you do mostly city or short trips, change oil at 4,000 to 4,500 miles. If you're highway heavy, 6,000 to 6,500 is fine. Short trips never heat oil enough to burn off moisture. That's how sludge forms silently. I opened one engine that followed the 10,000-mile synthetic schedule. It was half sludge at 95,000 miles. Oil is $50. Engines are $8,000. Don't stretch it. Number 14, highway cleaning runs. City driving kills engines slowly. Take your car on the highway once or twice a week for at least 20 minutes at steady speed. It burns off moisture, fuel vapors, and carbon buildup naturally. Engines, transmissions, exhaust. They all need heat to stay healthy. Think of it as exercise for your car. Number 13, OEM parts only for critical systems. Timing belts, fuel pumps, sensors. Never cheap out. I've seen cars eat through 3 aftermarket water pumps before an OEM one fixed it for good. An $80 difference can save you thousands. Write OEM only on work orders and verify part numbers. Number 12, MF sensor cleaning. If your car feels sluggish, drinks more fuel, or throws lean codes, your mass airflow sensor is probably dirty. 10 minutes of cleaning fixes it. Use only MAF cleaner. No touching, no air, no brushes. Dry it, reinstall it, and enjoy better mileage instantly. Number 11, replace the PCV valve every 30 to 60,000 miles. A $10 part that decides whether your engine stays clean or sludges to death. If it sticks open at high idle, oil burn. If it sticks closed, pressure builds, seals blow, leaks start. Just replace it. Don't clean it. Modern PCVs aren't made for solvents. Number 10, brake fluid and pad checks. Brake fluid absorbs water even in sealed systems. That water boils under heat, causes fade, and corrodes your ABS module from the inside. Flush every 2 years. Check pad thickness at each tire rotation. Don't wait for the metal-on-metal screech. That's your wallet crying. Number 9, early filter replacements. Air, fuel, and cabin filters cost peanuts. Change them earlier than the book says, because that book assumes perfect driving conditions. Dirty air filters choke your engine and wash oil off the cylinder walls. A $20 filter can prevent $2,000 in repairs. Number 8, cooling system maintenance. Overheating is the fastest way to kill an engine. Flush coolant every 30,000 miles and inspect hoses every 6 months. Only use OEM or exact equivalent coolant. Wrong chemistry can eat water pumps alive. A $100 flush beats a $4,000 head gasket job. Number 7, use top-tier fuel and proven additives. Cheap gas clogs injectors and burns dirtier. Shell, Chevron, Costco, Mobil. These meet the top-tier detergent standards. For GDI engines, use Techron or Liqui Moly every 5,000 miles. $15 that prevents $800 in injector work. Number 6. Belts and tensioners. Timing belts fail without warning. Replace them before the manual's upper limit. If it snaps, pistons and valves meet, and you'll meet a $6,000 repair bill. Always replace the tensioners and idlers with the belt. That's where most failures start. Number 5. Rust prevention. Rust is cancer for cars. Once it starts, it doesn't stop. It spreads through brake lines, frames, suspension. Use fluid film or wool wax once a year, especially before winter. I saw a 15-year-old truck from Long Island with zero rust thanks to annual coating. Meanwhile, unprotected ones from the same area were falling apart by year 10. Number 4. General inspections every 6,000 miles. A 5-minute look under the hood catches 90% of problems before they grow teeth. Check belts, hoses, brakes, tires, suspension. Catch a $50 issue now, or pay $200 later when it bursts on the highway. Number 3. Regular fluid checks. Oil, coolant, transmission, power steering, look monthly. Don't wait for a warning light. Fluid color tells stories. Clear and bright? You're good. Dark and burnt? Start planning a service. Number 2. Tire care. Underinflated tires cut fuel economy and blow out under heat. Check pressure monthly using the sticker inside your door, not the number on the tire. Rotate every 5,000 to 6,000 miles. A few minutes each month adds thousands of safe miles. Number 1. Battery maintenance. Corrosion on terminals kills voltage and burns out alternators. Clean them every 6 months with baking soda and water. Apply a dab of dielectric grease to keep moisture out. I've fixed dead alternators with 5 minutes and a toothbrush. Bonus tip: the silent killer, wrong oil spec. Don't just match viscosity. Match the API service code too. Those tiny letters, SN, SP, etc., matter more than people think. Use the exact spec your engine was designed for. Wrong oil kills engines slower than neglect, but just as surely. Do these 19 things and your car can outlive your expectations. 500,000 miles, maybe even 1 million. Skip them and every shortcut becomes a bill waiting to happen. Take care of your car and it'll take care of you. Longer than you think.